yourself. You're about to witness the best makeup tutorial you've ever seen. By yours truly, Tundi.
And welcome to yet again another edition of The Alpha Chick. In this episode, we witnessed the Alpha Chick doing her makeup. Yes, the ancient art of disguise dates way back to the very first centuries in the reign of the very first Alpha Chicks to walk this earth. We shall watch with precision and technique that the Alpha Chick executes her disguise. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Yes indeed she is. Watch as she uses the brush to perfect the eyebrow. Many would wonder if she woke up like this. I assure you not, kind sir. I assure you not. There are many different techniques that the Alpha Chick uses to perfect her disguise. The brush is only an instrument to perfect the eyebrows. But what you're about to witness is the ancient art of the rub-a-dub-dub. Watch as she applies this fascinating product and cream and ointment on her skin, to then proceed to use the fingers to rub-a-dub that dub. Yes, what a fine specimen she is. Now what you will notice is how the transformation begins only now. Though yellow bone in complexion, she will turn to a glossy and flossy individual. Oh, pray beware, for when you see this look, before its perfection, you will assume you are safe. But upon completion, you will soon realize that you've just fallen victim to the Alpha Queen. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Yes, again I say yes, she absolutely is. So guys, what can we take from this lesson? Is it all about technique? No. Is it all about the product? No. This is merely a game of creativity. Wouldn't you say so?
We're about to do the left eye using the mascara thingy. Put a little dot on the eye. Form a cat-like structure while pulling your face off. Be careful not to gouge out your eyes. Some more dots. You can tell by the facial expression she loves what she's doing. Brilliant form. Perfect panache. Oh my God, this is heaven. Look at the way she uses that brush. Stroke after stroke. Stroke after stroke.
В поисках идеала мы часто экспериментируем, но главное – это оставаться всегда в балансе. Это знаете, как чай по-капитански, когда вы берете стакан, обливаете его кипятком, засыпаете в него заварку, заливаете кипяток, настаиваете это, потом всю эту херню выливаете, наливаете сюда коньяк и выпиваете. Самое главное – это обрести баланс. И не нужно экспериментировать очень долго. Можете посмотреть, допустим, я смешиваю пару цветов, наношу их на глаза, и, в принципе, это выглядит бомбически. Вот, так что рекомендую.
Honestly, just watching this right now, I am scared for your eyes. Cause me, myself, I can't even wash my face without like getting red eyes. Like it is impossible. Washing your face, I don't know, maybe just for me, but I have no skill. I have no talent when it comes to washing my face. What's crazy is the pin is literally by your eye. Like I know for me, definitely, if I was a girl, like the first second of me doing makeup, my eye will be gone. Like completely. Like it'll be cut off.
Handizive chikonzero chinoita kuti vanhukadzi kana kuti vasikana vanzwe kugadzikana kana vachishandisa zvavanoti zvimaeyeliners zviya. Handisati ndawana mhinduro.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they understand.
Oh, this beautiful lady out here is actually trying to fix her eyelashes on her eyes. Tandika. And then she's actually putting her fingers on the eyelashes, making it straight. She's trying to make it beautiful. All right, there's the pose, the smile. She goes back. All right, she's actually straightening up her eyelashes. There you go, Tandika. All right, she's trying to look very beautiful. All right, here she goes. Beautiful video. And Tanika actually looks beautiful right after the video. This was actually a perfect one.
We're about to apply the mud, gently dabbing the cheeks and the forehead. For us guys, we know this stuff as the stuff that will ruin your white shirt. Every time you get a hug. Every time you go out cheating. If you get a hug, this is the stuff that will get you caught. Look at the panache, look at the form. It's Friday, action night.
Beginning of the video, and mommy is looking fly. Woo! Look at them eyelashes. She's doing her thing. Look at them, man. Them lips is looking good too. There's no lipstick on them either. Okay, let me concentrate here. Okay, this looks hard, man. Like, you know, you definitely have to be artistic to be able to do this. Like, I definitely wouldn't be able to do this. This takes a lot of effort, a lot of skill right here. Do not try this at home. We've shifted now. We're using different equipment. We're using sponges now. Levels. We've upgraded. Look at this. Now, mommy is looking fly. She looks ready for whatever. Don't get in her way. She spilled some. But we move. She's a warrior. She spilled some, but we move. We're still going. Onto the eyes now. We're moving. And I just sort of mentioned, man, that while this video is still going, like, look at her hair. Did you notice how perfect her hair is looking? It looks like, anyway, let me concentrate. Back to concentrating, back to making art. We're using the hand as we're still making this art. Mona Lisa is dead. She's gone. There's only Tandeka now. Move aside. We're doing the jawline now, constructing it, making it absolutely perfect. It's looking good already, but we're making it better. Okay, now, this is confusing now because the jawline, this is trick. Women go through a lot, man. I hope we're appreciating this because this is a lot of effort. I don't think I put in this much effort. Still doing her thing. She's done. Thank you, mommy. We appreciate you and this effort.
Yes, it's time for us to apply the face margarine, which is applied underneath the bags of the eyes, on the ever so lovely jawline, on the nose, on the cheeks, and on the forehead, like so. A little bit of dab action on the mouth as well. Don't forget to do a little dance. There we go, underneath the bags of the eyes again. And we're gonna forward on to the eyes. Don't forget, under the eyes first, with the brush tool majiggy, and yeah, little dance at the end again. This is what I call the dot situation, where we apply all dots to the face, dots to the cheeks, and don't forget, blend those dots. After blending, guess what the next step is? To put more dots. Exactly, dots on the nose, dots on the nose, dots on the nose, and of course, dots on the nose, dots on the forehead, dots on the mouth and chin area. Okay, the next step is the lips. Make sure you do that bottom lip looking all so yummy. And the top lip looking so yummy. And make sure you don't eat that shit, cause that shit looks good. That shit might smell good, but make sure you don't eat that shit. Okay, make sure you do the pop face after you apply the lipstick or the lip gloss or whatever it's called, baby.
Вы очень красивы, макияж нанесен очень хорошо.